Alright guys, I'm making this video to tell you if you have a 3rd gen Prius and you install an aftermarket radio and your buttons on the steering wheel for the HVAC and tripometer don't work anymore, don't freak out. There's an easy solution to fix this. So this only applies if you have the touch tracer buttons that came with this style head unit that says JBL on it. It has nav built in, and it also applies if you have the JBL head unit without nav. Basically, if you have this separate amp, it applies to you. So I'll show you what happens in the car here. Alright, so this is my 2010 Prius. I installed this aftermarket singled-in Kenwood stereo. Sounds great. It's way better than the stock radio in every way, and I don't need the backup camera or any of that stuff. But the problem is, I'll turn it on and show you. These trip buttons, let's see if I get a better angle. See, they don't work right now, and the temp isn't going up and down right now. However, if I turn it off, you need to find the pink wire in this connector. So I got this information off of the Prius forums. I'll throw a link down in there in the description here, but it's the pink wire out of this connector, and this just needs to be grounded. So I've got that stripped back, and I'm going to ground it on this screw back here. Okay, now I have that pink wire grounded. You can see right there, pink wire spliced into that clear wire with the blue connector going to that bolt. Very well grounded. Now I'll turn it on. And you can see when I put my finger over, there we go, we have our buttons again. And I can switch between the trip, so I can reset my maintenance required light. I can change the temperature up and down just like I could before. I can switch the displays. Everything's functional there again. Now this side does not work because I did not put a steering wheel control interface in with this radio. I hardwired this radio myself and ran new wire to all the speakers. That's what these are. You don't have to do it that way, but if you have the JBL system with or without nav and you lose this switch and the touch tracer buttons, grounding the pink wire will solve that problem. And I want to give special thanks to ChapmanF on PriusChat.com for finding this information out on a wiring diagram. And once again, I'll have a link in the description to that thread. And that's it. Thanks for watching.